Alright guys, look at this. Look at my hand. Ah. Alright, let's get this off.
That's a good shot.
This might be it. The hood is just peeling off. I'm bending bare metal. It's just jammed right here. You see that?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so instead of just muscling all the crushed metal, I'm just going to unbolt the latch because that's like the only thing holding it. So I'm just going to unbolt it and the hood should just come off. Alright guys, the latch is unbolted. The hood is just, like I said, the hood's going to come off.
It's attached to that string right there. The
cable?
Yeah.
Alright, so I got the hood latch thing unbolted, guys. Check this out. This is damage. As you can see, this is a little mushed in. The engine is untouched. The suspension is untouched, guys. The only thing that really got mushed is this front piece, the bumper, the crash bar, and then the radiator got mushed. Other than that, well, my intake's a little mushed too, but yeah, we're gonna have to let's take this hood off, and then we're gonna kind of see what we have to cut, what we have to unbolt, and we're just gonna kind of start stripping it, and then yeah, I'm just gonna see what we need to do next, guys. So it happened. God has his reasons for things happening, and yeah, guys, so look at that radiator, just cracked right there under impact. I was literally planning on putting a racing radiator in here, so that's whatever. And I'm really just concerned about this right here, because that's kind of what holds the headlight, so I'm probably gonna have to fab up this whole side to hold the headlight. But other than literally holding the headlight and the fender, I could probably straighten this out, honestly, but we're gonna see what we're gonna do regarding this bottom crash bar, because I'm definitely gonna have to get bash bars now. Look at all these freaking gummy things that hold the skeleton of the hood. The hood's like fine. Is this? You filming?
Yep. How to take an intake off.
Yeah, pretty much that's how you take an intake off, guys. Just go in here. Oh no, my freaking air fuel sensor is cracked. Like that, you see that?
Yeah. Oh, need one of those.
Alright, but look, now that the intake's not crushed, I'm going to show you guys that this thing just starts right up. Now we have some air going in there. Alright, watch this. Alright guys, there's no coolant in it, but I'm going to show you that it starts. So yeah, she starts. Alright, so I'm trying to remove all the damaged stuff that I can. So, look at this, we're gonna muscle this frame out, guys. Let's get it. Oh my god, I actually did it. Oh my god. Yo. I actually straightened it out, y'all. It's actually working, y'all. Just literally leather mechanic gloves and then brute force. It's looking better, guys. You gotta stay positive. So I wish I had like a pole to tie like a ratchet strap or a chain to, and then like pull this out and pull this out. Look at that, freaking crumpled. Alright, at least we can get this radiator out of here, guys. Look at this. Oh, yo, my thermostat snapped off. Here, check this out. The freaking thermostat cracked off of the engine. But I'm pretty sure that was like the only impact towards the engine, because from the radiator going in like that. And then other than that, the engine is untouched. That suspension arm is untouched. We're looking good, guys, so let's keep stripping it. Look, I literally almost straightened that out. I'm probably gonna end up cutting this out and just either probably welding a new one in, because it looks like that's what's been done before. Because I'm pretty sure this car got hit on that side or something, because there's some repair work done right here. But I could literally, if I can find this whole front piece, the top part, I could probably weld a new one in. But let's get this radiator out of here. Alright guys, so I got the radiator all undone. So I did spill a little bit of coolant, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up in a sec. Check this out. These are my auxiliary fan switch wires, so I'm just gonna cut them off and rewire them later. But yeah guys, this is the radiator. This thing is cooked. I was literally planning on upgrading the radiator anyway, so now I have to, so let's get it. Look at that thing. I think we're gonna have to reuse the fans. Hopefully those are fine. Yeah, they don't look, they still move, yeah. They're not really damaged. But yeah, we're gonna have to take the fans off of here, but guys, look, it's starting to look better. Bit by bit. Alright guys, we're looking better. Look at that. I need to keep working on straightening this little piece out right here. I don't know if I can pull it out more and straighten it, or if I'm gonna have to cut it, but we're gonna see.